Hi, I'm Trevor Ellis, Head of Service here at Recon Power Bikes, and let's talk about adjusting your rear derailleur on your bike. When I say rear derailleur, this is the part that we're talking about. It drives your chain and it shifts your gears. One of the biggest calls I get is my drivetrain's making noise. It's making a clicking noise, just like you just heard in the previous video. And here's how I'm going to show you how to adjust it. So here's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to shift down to your hardest gear. In this case, it is 9th gear. Once you've done that, loosen this bolt with a 5mm hex. This will loosen any tension that is in the cable for the derailleur. Next, let's take a look at your high limit screw and your low limit screw. This is your low limit, this is your high limit. Now that we've located our limit screws, let's show you what happens when we push up the range with the derailleur. This is indicating that the low limit is not set correctly. Let's adjust that. So your low limit was throwing the chain over or past the first gear. So we're going to turn that in. Do a couple full rotations of the limit screw. Then we will push the derailleur in a pedaling motion up the range and check where it lands. If the chain cannot surpass the first gear, you're heading in the right direction. Now that we've adjusted the low limit screw, let's adjust the high limit screw. We're adjusting it to keep the chain from falling off the outside of your highest gear. Pull the chain back onto your highest gear, and we will adjust your high limit screw. Do a couple turns in to make the top pulley of the derailleur parallel with the highest gear. Now that we've adjusted both the high and low limit screws, we're going to look at the tension of the derailleur. This is your barrel adjuster, which adjusts the tension of the cable. This is your anchor bolt. Let's fasten the cable back to the anchor bolt using a 5mm hex. Before you shift through any gears, do not turn your barrel adjuster just yet. Go ahead, pedal through, and check each gear. Listen. While we were going up in the range, you saw that there was some hang up in this gear and down in these gears. There is too much tension in the barrel adjuster. So to do that, we are going to screw in the barrel adjuster. Then check the gear tension again. To make any fine-tuned adjustments on your derailleur, use your barrel adjuster. To increase tension, you'll turn to the left. To decrease tension, you'll turn to the right. This will improve your shifting quality and the quietness of your drivetrain. And that is how you adjust the derailleur on your bike.